for cop to cop or contract based jobs in US. So how we will search? We'll go on the LinkedIn. First we'll let's say we do have multiple candidates of different skills. So let's start with the data analyst. So we have one candidate who is data analyst, and we need to search job. Sorry, we need to search job for that person for contract roles. So
Okay.
what are the keywords we can use? We'll search out using that, and we will try to find out the contract cop to cop jobs here. So in search section, just write down in inverted comma data analyst. Data analyst only, not S. Yeah,
Okay.
inverted comma close. Enter. So you will see every post which is having data analyst. Now, what you will do, click again there, your post section, click again there in the search section. After data analyst, write down and, not this one, capital A
Okay.
and D.
Normal.
Operators, hope you know. Yeah. Now C2C, C2C. Yeah. So enter. You will find the jobs which the people have mentioned C2C in the jobs, but we need to have the latest jobs always. So take sort by latest and date posted 24 hours. Yeah. Here you can open up the these one by one. Click on more. There is a more. Yeah. Just read out if it is workable. I think this is not workable. Just go down. Please find below list of. They are having the candidates actually. This is not the job. Just go down. Need to search out the jobs only. We are
Okay.
hiring
So
for
the
Python
person who
developer.
posted for the job,
Yeah, so this is opening.
Python developer.
These are multiple jobs if you see. So it is somewhere
Yeah.
data analyst also mentioned. So this is one of those, but like go down. This is these are full time actually. Yeah, here just see we are hiring data analytics, business intelligence professionals, and somewhere it is written United. We need to have US positions only.
United States.
Mhm. And opening available, entry level, mid level, and all everything it is there, but it is contract or cop to cop is not mentioned. I think it is there. So it seems to be full time position. So we'll
Yeah,
go
it's
to.
mentioned contract data analyst.
Okay, so just to understand, this job can be of use. Okay, this is one of those jobs.
Okay.
Just go down. Let me show you more. All list consultants are available. This is not the requirement. They are having the candidates for this. So just go down. Yeah, read out this. This is hot list is where you see the hot list. It is not related to us. Hot list means those people are having the candidates. Those people are not having the jobs. Just go to next.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So for removing such kind of posts which are coming, you can see like many hot lists are coming, correct? So in search
Yeah.
section, just go there where you wrote C2C in top. Click
Okay.
here, space, minus,
Symbol or I
yes,
need to
symbol,
write the
symbol,
text.
minus, hot list without a space.
Mm, Hot list.
Yeah, just enter. I think they you should put minus out of the inverted comma because that is the part of the formula actually. Yeah, out of
Okay.
the, yeah, here, minus, enter. Now you will see those kind of jobs where the candidates and those things were mentioned. It would be lesser now. See, please find below list of IT C2C available. They are having the candidates too. So just go on top again. Add one more keyword. Minus, space, minus, inverted comma, available. Inverted comma, close. Enter. Now go down and see jobs. We need to have C2C jobs, contract jobs means. Like this is we are hiring for data
Yes.
analyst 4 months contract at Adobe, and this is something little bit relatable. Now see if they do have the email ID in this or not. No, they haven't given, so we need to move to the
No
next.
email ID.
Yeah, we need to move to the next. We are hiring data engineers W2. Yeah, title data analyst and Connecticut. Yes, this is the job what we need. So we need to find
Again,
out the contract jobs, correct? Copy this complete job. So this is the way we search the job on the LinkedIn by using the like different formulas and all for data analyst. Okay. So